They got it under control. Just hold on. The guy got out quick. He got out. Everybody got his fire extinguisher going. Yeah, all right. Got the other driver out. Both drivers are out. Fire seems to be under control. Yeah, it seems to be done. It's under control. It's all under control. That's all right. We're all right now. Okay. That was a very tense situation. Firemen, everything's under control. Fire's out. We are on lap number 10. Everybody hold on just a second. It's okay. Quick action. Everybody's parked. Firemen were all over that. Driver jumped out. Turned out it's okay. I know what you're thinking. You wish you would have bought one of those warranties they advertise for your car on TV all the time. All right, we're going to shut this thing back up, and I'm going to watch the officials and figure out what we're going to do. All right. Just a second. We're going to clear it. It's all right. Just a second. Only a small bit of damage. There's nothing. They can spray that off. Change the oil. Be all right. The car's not hurt. Well, maybe it is. Just a second. All right. All right. All right. Got to discuss it just a second. We're on lap number 10. All right.
I mean, he's going to be by the rules. I think he should be. So we should have black flagged that car right in our half.
I didn't either.